Hi. So in this lab, we are going to perform the VMware Aria automation resource quota policy demonstration in which we are going to create a policy. For that, log in as a service broker administrator, go in content and policies, click on definitions, create a new policy. In here, you have to select the resource quota policy. Specify the name ENG resource quota. Select the project Vmeng project. Now we have to add the quota. In here, select the scope level. It's a project user limit. A user can provision a 1 VM. Then we'll add the project level limit that memory can be utilized only 1 GB. Now we can expand and review the resource quota limit, and this resource quota limit controls the amount of resources that can be consumed by each user, project or organization. In this example, we are going to provide the limit on the project, and this is a project limit that it could be used memory of 1 GB. Second is a project user limit, it can provision only 1 VM. Let's go and create. In here, now since we have defined the resource quota, we can go in our resources. There's no deployment as of now, so I'll go in and try to provision Windows machine test win1. We'll give a name test1, submit. Now we'll go in catalog, we'll request test send os1, submit. Now we'll go in catalog, we'll request another Windows machine, win test 2, test win 2, and submit the request. And now we'll validate the results. So now let's try to understand what exactly happened. Windows 1, it got rejected. This this deployment got failed. Why does it got failed? Because in Windows, user were requesting first one got failed because user were requesting more than 1 GB of the memory. Then second one got provisioned because CentOS template was provisioning only 1 GB of memory. We can see CentOS was provisioning only 1 GB memory, so it falls under the limit which we have placed in the resource quota, that the project should have only one. And third one got failed. Again, the resource was high. Moreover, there's one VM which was already running, and in here we have defined that only one VM should be provisioned by the user. In So if I go over here and try to provision the CentOS again, it will get failed. CentOS 2. I'll submit this request. As expected, this got rejected. And why this CentOS request got rejected? Because at a moment, only one VM should be running for a user as per the policy. So in a project user limit, we specify VM count should be one only. So this is how we can place a resource quota. Thank you.